This time we will learn about breakline in ZWCAD. In the previous video you have learned about how to break an object. Now we need to add a line indicate that an object has been cut. Type Breakline command to activate Breakline tool. We can see this number as the Breakline size. Now click in the workspace and end at another point. The line have been created, but seems just like a normal line. Try to zoom in, you will found that a zigzag line created. This is because the size we have seen are too small. Let's create again and change the size. Type S and press enter, then input the size, try 5. Now create the break line. End with where zigzag line will be. Now you can see the small zigzag. Try another size to fit your need.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.